Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to hide app names on your home screen on OPPO A5m. Let's begin. First, let's go into the settings. Then, let's click Wallpaper and Style. Here you want to scroll down a little and click Icons. And now here, you have a little check for showing app names. All you want to do is simply disable them and hit apply. And as you can see, our names are gone. Nice! Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.